Finally, I've got my shower cabin. Should be in there. So I went for shopping today, bought some bits. I went for the windows on the way to the parcel, and also I bought those pipes. It's fairly easy with this one because I could use the same frame. This one are different. See, it's a one layer brick wall, and the frame is really bad. See, it's rooting everywhere. So before I can put a window, I have to build a new frame. So what I did with this one, put the frame in, spray the foam around it, and then put a window, and then same again. If you look from the side, it looks like I put the window wrong and it's an angle, but it's not the window, it's the wall. The window is straight and the wall is an angle. I'll show you. It's leveled. Have a look at the wall. Right, when I put this window, I'm going to try to avoid the mistakes that I've done with the previous one, and I'm going to show a mistake and explain what's right now. So a mistake I did with this one, when I put that frame there, I didn't bother about leveling it or anything like that. I just put that in and put some foam. That's pretty much it. It's there. But then I had a hard time to put that window in because this frame is not really straight. You can clearly see there's much more there. Same there at the bottom, at the top. So I'm going to try to avoid that. When I make that frame, I'm going to make sure that is square and leveled as well. And then I'll have to put that window there, put foam around it, and that's pretty much it. It will be done. That's it, I made the frame. Put that frame in. Now it's time for the window. As you see, my water pump works just fine. No, I actually don't. Okay, so it's running empty. So the water goes right into a tank. And you see some water start coming out this way. Testing that tank over there, so now pumping the water from the bottom tank into this one. Oh, that's it, stopped. Yeah, so it's always going to be pretty much that amount of fluid in the tank. There's two things left, so I need to connect that pipe with this tank. Got that sorted, so you see, I use whatever is left there. Then I join that one, and now I need to connect that pipe for the exit over there. And the last thing, I will need air supply. That's literally a compressor for the fish tank, but it's a little bit stronger, so I'm going to use it for my sewage system. I'm going to try to use these stones. They used in the fish tanks as well. May got one. Yeah, it's packed. So they call the air stones. They very likely will get blocked very quickly, but I'm still going to try it. I want to see how it goes. So I need to get electricity here and then make 2 sockets. So the one socket is for my water pump, which is in that tank there, and one socket for my air compressor. I'm gonna make a hole there and put some wiring over here. I didn't dig too deep over here for the wire. The reason for it, I'm gonna use that pile over there to level the ground over here. So the ground level will go slightly up. So I need to dig 2 deep trench over here for the cable. And I've got some cable ready. So that's it. Close to finish. That's what I've done so far. Work in progress. So I'm gonna make a socket over there and the light somewhere there. That's where the water goes out. I need the wood chips. So I've got some wood over there. Got an axe. This is me. That's the way we'll have to do it. I need about half of a tank, and there is about 1/3. Halfway through. There's still a bit over here. Finished with the wood chips. It's about half of the tank. What I'm gonna do next, put some sawdust, and I'm gonna put some soil on the top for the worms. So I've got my air compressor here. So my plan is to put that air compressor somewhere here. So it's gonna be a socket, I've got wire here. The air will go in these two tanks, this one here and that one there. I'll need to make a hole over here, somewhere there, and somewhere here. This air compressor, let's put somewhere here, I guess, like that. There will be one of these in each tank, oxygenating water.
Thanks for watching.